Orientation of things. Vocabulary activator. The inside of an object is the side that's not supposed to be exposed to the world. Typically, for a t-shirt, for instance, the inside will not have a design printed on it. The seams of the t-shirt will be rough and unfinished on the inside, as they're not meant to be seen. The outside of an object is the side that we are expected to see. The outside is the side of a t-shirt that will have the design printed on it. The seams will be smooth and nicely finished, as they too are meant to be seen. Thus, to say that you're wearing a t-shirt inside out is to say that you've managed to put it on with the outside against your body and with the inside showing to the world. Interestingly, we never say outside in. Our clothing normally conforms to the shape of our bodies, and our bodies have different shapes to the front and to the back. Likewise, clothing such as t-shirts, trousers and dresses are tailored to fit the shape of the body at the front and at the back. If you put a shirt on back to front, then the buttons that would normally be down the front of the shirt would be down the back, and impossible for most people to fasten. Few people make the mistake of putting a shirt on back to front, but with t-shirts, skirts and other items of clothing, such a mistake is quite common. Normally you'll immediately feel that your clothing is on back to front and correct it, but it may not always be the case, and someone else may have to point out your mistake. The upside of an object is the part that's designed to be at the top. With many objects, such as bottles, glasses, plates and t-shirts, it's easy to see which part is supposed to be at the top. For objects like these, they don't work well if they're upside down. Other objects, however, are more difficult to place the right way up. Modern art paintings might be very difficult to put the right way up when hung on the wall, and only the artists themselves might be able to say that they're upside down, and even then they might not know which was truly the right way up. While everyone has put their t-shirt on inside out or back to front, I doubt whether anybody has ever tried to put a t-shirt on upside down, as such clothing would obviously be the wrong way up.